Hello, we are Mark and Rick, and we are going to restore this piece of junk into its original state. A badass 69 Charger. How we managed to do this? Watch our episodes and find out.
Tonight on Rescue Garage.
It's time to brush off the welding machine. As you can see, the Charger has some rust issues. First we made some new frame rails for the back. And then we weld them to the car. One done, one to go. Stein is smoothing up the welds and I'm getting rid of the old rear valance to make room for the new rear cross member. And there you have it, 2 new frame rails. The wishbone mounts were far gone, so we had to make new ones. So we did. We added some bars in the car so the alignment doesn't change while we're working on it. The car is on wheels again. No, not the wheels you expect. But with this stand we can work on the car very easy. Let's rotate it. Let's see what we got. First we made some new inner rocker panels.
Olie met de software.
But first Roland is drilling out the seat mount. And then we cut out some rocker panels. Trust me, we will get there. Gertjan is making new ends for the torsion bar member. Well, that looks beefy to me. The new inner rocker panel is in. And now I'm welding in the new end of the torsion bar member. Now can we rebuild the front side of the inner rocker panel? Then the outside rocker panel. A new end cap. Finally, it's time to weld the door shut. No, just kidding, we are checking the door gaps. If they are correct, we are finishing the rocker. When it's rust-free, we put some zinc on it so it stays this way.
Hey Rick, wat zijn we hier allemaal aan het doen?
Ja, lekker het vloerplaatje aan elkaar aan het lassen. Kom maar eens kijken, hè?
Je zou ook even een keer om de auto moeten lopen.
Ja. Nieuw dorpeltje erin.
Kijk.
En nou het vloerplaatje. Maar dat is nog wel een klusje, hè, Stijn?
Dat is nog wel een klusje, ja, maar het begint ergens op te lijken.
Maar goed, we hebben de slijptol weer uitgevonden, dus het komt vast wel goed. Gaan we even verder.
And there you have it, one new floor panel. Let's move on to the drive side. Look at that nice rocker panel. But first we made some new firewall.
Ja.
Same story as on the right side.
Kevin!
We didn't show you that on the right side, but we made some extra reinforcements on the inside of the rockers.
Denk je ervan?
No. Yeah. It fits very, very, very nicely. It's paper, so you can't weld. But no!
Big moment. Roeland's first weld.
Ik ben een topper, Rick.
Maar je dan nog in sporen. Goals.
Door number 2, all lined up. And that's floor number 2. Thanks for watching. See See you next time when we cut off some quarter panels.